Every loaf of multigrain bread begins in fields touched by the morning sun. Precision blades slice through thousands of stalks each minute.
Inside the machine, augers lift the harvest from cutter to collection.
Each grain begins a journey toward becoming nourishing bread. Multigrain bread requires diversity. Oats add richness and depth.
Each grain is gathered carefully to maintain purity.
Barley adds texture, harvested with the same precision. Collected crops move quickly to prevent moisture loss. Millet, a humble grain, brings strength and fiber. Manual care ensures purity at every step. Flaxseed adds essential oils and a nutty complexity. Even tiny seeds follow a disciplined path. Sunflower seeds bring both protein and flavor. Mechanical lifts keep the harvest flowing.
Quality checks begin long before the factory.
The journey to the factory begins. From scattered fields, everything now moves toward production. Ahead stands the heart of transformation, the modern multigrain bakery.
The harvest arrives at the gates of modern production.
Every shipment is traced before entering the facility. Security cleared, the grains move deeper toward processing. At the dock, precision ensures safety and efficiency. A simple latch releases tons of harvested potential. Conveyors take over, moving ingredients deeper inside. Inside these tunnels, raw harvest transitions into industrial order. Every kilogram is measured with precision. Supplemental grains arrive to balance the recipe perfectly. Storage is arranged for fast, contamination-free handling. Automation reduces strain and maintains consistency. Human oversight ensures every bag belongs to today's formula. Ingredients transition from packaged to process ready. A gentle shake distributes everything for uniform cleaning. From fields to machinery, the journey enters its next phase. Inside this controlled environment, impurities are removed. The first deep cleaning begins with a gust of engineered airflow. This is where raw harvest becomes modern multigrain bread.
Inside, every step follows strict sanitary discipline. Nothing enters this facility without passing sterile airflow.
Protective gear ensures purity from start to finish.
The heart of production lies deeper within these corridors.
From outside fields to indoor systems, the journey never stops.
Higher platforms allow full oversight of the movement below. This deck provides a bird's-eye view of early preparation.
Access is limited to critical operations inside this controlled chamber.
Technicians monitor flow, adjusting every variable in real time.
Green status means the factory is ready for full operation.
Outside, towering silos store the incoming multigrain supply. Insulated lines keep grains dry and uncontaminated. Behind these doors lies the core of multigrain preparation. Every section operates as part of a coordinated ecosystem. This zone removes stones, dust, and metallic impurities. Routine inspections ensure uninterrupted production. With all preparations complete, cleaning and sorting now begin.
The first step focuses on purity, stripping away unwanted debris.
Rotary drums remove stones, husks, and oversized fragments.
Vibration separates grains by density and size. Powerful air columns remove particles too small to see.
Magnets catch even microscopic metallic traces.
Gravity-based sorting removes dense impurities with remarkable accuracy. Subtle differences in density create perfectly sorted streams. Automated sampling ensures every batch meets strict criteria. A technician verifies grain quality within seconds. Surface condition reveals water content, purity, and maturity. Every batch is recorded in the facility's central database. Clean grains move forward in a synchronized industrial dance. This is the final stretch of cleaning, where purity is assured.
Sorting by grain type ensures a consistent recipe later.
Indoor silos keep each ingredient sealed and moisture-free.
Precision metering prepares ingredients for perfect dough balance.
Each silo releases its grain in exact proportions. With all grains purified and measured, Processing can finally begin. Elevators raise the harvest toward precision milling. Every grain enters the mill with synchronized timing. The first crush breaks grains into their essential components. A finer grind creates the soft flour needed for perfect dough. Cyclones remove air pressure, leaving pure, refined flour. Only the softest particles continue into preparation. Precision-controlled silos protect flour from humidity.
Measured micro-ingredients create balanced dough chemistry.
Spiral conveyors deliver ingredients while maintaining aeration. Hydration begins the transformation from powder to dough. Early blending prepares the mixture for full kneading.
The main mixer receives a perfectly balanced blend.
Twin-arm mixers mimic artisanal kneading with industrial strength. Temperature determines elasticity, fermentation, and texture. Fully kneaded dough moves out for further refinement. The dough reaches the section where precision begins. Each loaf begins as a uniform portion cut with scientific accuracy. Each piece flows smoothly toward its next transformation. A conical motion shapes dough into perfect spheres.
Resting allows gluten to relax before shaping.
Sheeting ensures the dough becomes flexible and even.
Mechanical precision recreates artisanal shaping at speed. Each shaped loaf is precisely positioned for baking. Automation ensures perfect alignment every time.
Each loaf settles into its baking cradle.
Rows of loaves advance toward controlled fermentation. The proofing chamber begins the rise. Controlled humidity and heat awaken the dough. Gluten expands, lifting each loaf into shape. The proofing cycle completes with perfect rise. A mechanical arm guides each loaf to intense heat. Inside the oven, dough transforms into golden bread. Heat, airflow, and time unlock the bread's true character. Fresh from intense heat, the loaves begin their journey to cooling. Cold, filtered air stabilizes crust and crumb texture. Spiral conveyors maximize cooling within minimal space. Once cooled, each loaf undergoes thermal inspection. Temperature uniformity indicates proper internal baking. Automation prevents human contact while maintaining precision. Pans cycle continuously in a closed-loop system. High-resolution cameras check the visual signature of each loaf. Next, automation creates the perfect, even slices. Slicing is performed in milliseconds with surgical smoothness. Precision guides ensure every slice stays in perfect order. Prepared loaves advance to packaging with rhythmic flow. Air-inflated bags prepare for seamless loaf insertion. Automation ensures every loaf enters its package intact. A secure seal keeps freshness locked inside. Final checks ensure purity before dispatch. Every loaf is inspected to match exact weight standards. Automation channels the finished bread toward final perfection. The journey continues toward branding and identification. High-speed printers apply every detail, from ingredients to allergens. Robotic applicators ensure flawless placement every time. Coding guarantees traceability from factory to shelf.
Vision systems validate everything with machine accuracy.
Unified movement brings products to the packing stage. Cartons form automatically, ready to receive fresh bread. Mechanical loaders pack loaves securely for transport. Precision sealing ensures cartons stay intact through shipment. Weight verification ensures carton counts and integrity. Barcode gates validate product identity before dispatch.
Robotic palletizers build stable, consistent pallet layers.
Each layer locks together for safe, vibration-resistant transport. Stretch wrapping shields the bread from dust and moisture. Each pallet receives identification for shipping logistics. Wrapped, labeled, and secured pallets head toward dispatch.
A final human check ensures flawless order accuracy.
Handling equipment prepares the pallet for outbound movement. Every pallet pauses for final quality authorization.
Random samples enter the laboratory for deeper inspection.
Inside the lab, precision replaces automation.
Weight accuracy confirms ingredient consistency. Controlled cuts reveal internal texture uniformity.
Crumb symmetry reflects fermentation quality.
Moisture stability defines shelf life and softness. Recorded metrics align with strict factory standards. Crust firmness confirms baking precision. Samples undergo tests for safety, allergens, and preservatives. Automated systems confirm allergen-free compliance. Documented reports certify the batch for dispatch.
A single stamp verifies hours of precise testing.
Approval travels instantly to dispatch control.
To Kinton. Quality assurance reaches the final link in the chain.
With approval issued, transport can begin.
The pallet turns toward the final stage of its journey. Now prepared for shipping, the bread heads to dispatch.
The boundary between factory and world opens wide.
Approved bread moves toward loading and distribution. Docked trailers seal tightly to maintain hygiene.
With practiced precision, pallets fill the truck's interior.
Each pallet is locked into place to prevent shifting. Row by row, the full shipment is assembled. Safety straps eliminate movement during transport. A final inspection ensures readiness for the road ahead.
With one firm lock, the journey continues.
The load and the driver prepare as one.
The journey from factory to the nation begins now. The product leaves under certified, controlled logistics. From here, fresh multigrain bread reaches markets across the region. Each pallet represents precision, cleanliness, and care.
Quality you can trust, from grains to packaged loaves.
And this is how modern factories produce multigrain bread from start to finish.
Every department works in harmony toward a single purpose.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.